Alright guys, how you doing? I don't normally do unboxing videos, but I'll show you something in a minute which I've got new for Vinny, but this is just hilarious. So I've ordered this part on eBay. If I show you the box, so it comes in a very nice eBay box actually. I can tell you it's not very heavy. It's a fair sized box though. So what do you reckon could be in there? Let's have a look, shall we? You won't believe this. So size of that box. There's a lot of air in there. And then right at the very bottom, there is an exhaust manifold gasket. Can you believe they gave that box for that gasket? Oh well. What we got, do you reckon? See if you can guess what it is. I can tell you it's for Vinny. Come off eBay, second hand. Should make it go a bit faster. Come on, you must know what it is by now. Well, there we go guys. It's second hand, so it's not brand new. Although the seller described it as in very good condition. And yeah, I think it is a bit of surface rust on it, but it's not bad at all. Looks like it's been painted to protect it. Yeah, 4 branch, 4-into-1. It's a BTB manifold, if that makes any sense to anyone. I don't know whether that's a good make or not, but apparently it is. Just looking at it, it lists it as C16SC. The ports don't look that big. I don't know. Might have to try and match them up to what's on the car, but can't remember how big the ports are on Vinny. But on Vinny at the moment, it's got the standard. Well, it's not even standard actually. It would have come with a 2-into-1 cast iron exhaust manifold, which sticks out a bit at the front. So when I first built Vinny, I had to stick a Vauxhall Corsa manifold on it, which I should imagine restricts the power a little bit. It will certainly hold back a bit of pressure. So this 4-into-1 manifold should work a treat. I don't know whether I'll heat wrap this. I might do. Might make it look a bit nicer. I have a Boss for the lambda sensor, so I've got to try and fit the lambda sensor in there somewhere. Not sure it matters too much. Well, it doesn't really matter what cylinder it goes on. On the car, I think lambda sensor's over this side, so I'll probably have to drill it and put it in there, I think. But yeah, do that in another episode maybe. So that's all the bits we've got now. Like I say, I just got to weld this Boss into here. Probably going to heat wrap it. I've got a new manifold gasket. Like I say, it's a 4-into-1 BTB manifold. If anyone knows what a BTB manifold is, let me know if they're any good. I assume it is. It was 55 quid, this manifold. Every time I've looked elsewhere, they've been 250, 300 quid. They're for brand new ones, so you know, you've got to appreciate it's a second hand one, but that don't seem value to me. That seems pretty good value to me. I think I had to pay 15 quid postage. More importantly, without doing any major mods to Vinny, this is quite a shallow manifold. I'm pretty sure that's going to go on there comfortably, and it should free up a few more brake horsepower, so we'll see how that goes. The other thing I'm not sure of at the moment, like I say, the lambda sensor Boss can go in any of these. It's better if it can sample all 4 or 2 or something like that, because you're sampling the air to fuel ratio from all the cylinders, where if I just put it in one cylinder, if this cylinder's running lean and the rest are running rich, it will stick it out of kilter a little bit, but most cars do it. A lot of them just do it on sampling one exhaust anyway. Just not quite sure how close I should go to the outlet, to the exhaust manifold. And generally pretty close, because the lambda sensor needs to get hot to function, but you could probably get it too close, so I'll probably have a bit of a measure up and try and get it roughly the same sort of distance away. So in the coming weeks, hopefully I can get round to getting this put on Vinny and let you know, see how we get on.